SuperMindz.
Hi, I'm Lisa. When I'm bored, I like playing some sports. Now, let's see what my friend's hobbies are. He is Jake. He loves reading in his free time. She is Lily. She is very fond of gardening. She is Emily. She loves cooking and baking new dishes. He is Michael. He likes traveling and exploring new places. Meet James. He does a lot of fitness and exercise activities. She is Ashley. She is a very good photographer. She is Megan. She loves drawing and painting. He is John and is very fond of playing guitar. He is Marshall. His hobby is playing video games. He is Andrew. He loves hiking.
If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.